I found a couple of ripe bananas, and right when I was about to make banana bread, my daughter decided she didn't want to be hanging out on her share. So she's baking with me today. We're making this almond flour banana bread that turned out pretty good. And usually I have music or something to distract her while I'm cooking or cleaning. And this time it didn't work out. She just wanted to be held. So I love the carrier for this. And she loves it too. I am able to do more stuff when she is in the carrier with me and we get to bond. So that's great. That's a great thing. And I was having little to no expectations about this banana bread. It turned out very fluffy. It went down a little bit, but it was punchy, it was delicious, and just trying to eat a little bit healthier, so I picked the almond flour for this. This is a great recipe which I love, and I substituted the coconut sugar for this stevia sugar. Is delicious. So yeah, that's my day.